Hello, in this video we are going to look at a page class nRoBo page class, which is a very crucial page class that resides under pages init.py file. Let me open it, and here is the page class. So this class is going to be a base class for all the uh, page classes that you are going to create. So this is very crucial. Unless and until your page classes do not inherit this base class, which is a base class for any other user page classes, nRoBo methods cannot be used in your page objects. So in order to leverage nRoBo methods, you need to inherit your page classes from this page class, which is a page class for all other user page classes. Let's read out the description of it. Page class is the base class for every page objects that one is going to be created for his or her project. Page class inherits wrapper classes that wraps the most frequently used APIs of the WebDriver, Web Element, and other Selenium classes, which brings the power of readability of your scripts. Along with readable code comes the power of highly maintainable and understandable code base, and many more. I would request to check out video tutorials uploaded at the following YouTube channel. You can go to this YouTube channel by clicking on this link. Example usage. So how you can use a page class. So assume that you want to create a page object in your automation project for your home page. Then you should declare your page class as following. Let's say you are going to use the package. Again, your page classes should go under pages page class. So under pages package you will create home.py, and you can create n number of sub packages, and then you can create your page classes. That's depend on your project and how big is the project and your way of organizing page classes. So file home py you will create, then the file content of your home page, the minimal file content will be like this. So very first line should be from pages you should import page class. That is the very first requirement, and then create a class page home, and then inherit page class, which is supplied by nRoBo framework. So that you need to inherit. This is the very must step. Then comes the constructor of your page class. This is your page class page home, and this is the constructor for page home page class. Again, in turn, your page constructor will inherit driver and logger. These two attributes are necessary, which is going to be supplied by nRoBo framework with to your test methods. Let me show you a quick example. Let me open this test page. So here this is the test method, and this attributes, this driver reference and logger reference, is going to be supplied by your by nRoBo to your test methods like this, and then in turn you will supply those driver instance and logger instance to your page classes. So this is the that reference, driver and logger reference, which is you will receive from nRoBo framework itself. In your constructor, page constructor, there must be the first line calling the superclass constructor, that is page class, its constructor. So this is the notation: super, then dot, then init. So it will call superclass constructor. In this case your superclass is page, and supplying this to positional arguments, diver reference and logger reference. This is also a very crucial step, that superclass constructor must be called inside your page constructor. Okay. So then comes the definition of your home page locators, that should go below here, inside your constructor class or outside here. Let me show you a quick example here. So quick example is underneath this. So let me show you. Open PyPy page, PyPy home, and here you can see it's under class. As a class variable you can define your page locators, whatever you want to define. So then comes the page methods, and that will be methods should go below your page locators. So this should be your page class minimal template, and then you can add a number of page locator definitions and a number of page methods as per your requirement. And that's it about page and nRoBo page class. Thank you.